Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by making your phone ready and the Honda primed. Confirm the Odyssey supports Android Auto, then open Google Play and update Android Auto and Google Play services. Once done, enable Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and location on your phone so pairing and permissions flow. Make sure the USB cable is in good condition. Use the original or a high-quality cable. Plugging in now speeds the pairing, so insert the cable into the phone and the vehicle's USB port as you move to the next step. With the car in accessory or on, the infotainment screen becomes active. Select Android Auto if it appears. You then grant the phone permission prompts, contacts, messages, media, because Android Auto needs them to route apps and voice. If using USB, expect a phone prompt to allow access, tap Allow. If you chose wireless, pair Bluetooth first, then accept the Wi-Fi Auto Connect invitation so data moves over Wi-Fi. Wait a few seconds while the system indexes apps and connects Google Assistant. Now verify Android Auto shows your navigation, phone, and music apps. Say, "Hey Google, navigate home," to test voice and maps. Make sure audio routes through the car speakers and that touch controls respond. If something fails, restart the phone and vehicle first. That resolves most issues. If connectivity remains flaky, swap the USB cable or port, clear the Android Auto app cache, and check for a vehicle head unit update. Those steps usually restore a stable connection. If not, repeat pairing from scratch.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.